Here comes the British Brawler.
One of the toughest men I've ever stepped in the ring with. Danny Burch is the real deal.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from East London, weighing in at 190 pounds, Danny Burch.
He'll buy you a pint just to smash the glass on your head.
That's my kind of guy.
MGK putting on a performance before the match starts.
I think he's feeling outside.
And his opponent from Houston, Texas, weighing in at 174 pounds, Machine Gun Kelly.
We've seen MGK around these parts quite a few times. It's awesome to see him back.
My favorite MGK appearance was when Kevin Owens powerbombed him off the stage.
Hey, don't remind us of that, Corey.
Such an accomplished musician, provided the theme song to WrestleMania and SummerSlam in the past.
Performed that tribute to the troops in 2017. Performed John Cena's entrance theme at WrestleMania 28.
Are we going to talk about the time that Kevin Owens powerbombed him
Can you
off?
stop bringing that up?
Say this, but we have award-winning artist Machine Gun Kelly ready to duke it out.
And don't purchase your tickets to Kelly's downfall just yet. He's scrappy, he's hungry, and as some of his rap beefs can attest, he has never backed down from a challenge.
Oh, look out! A forearm smash.
Oh, launching himself from the ropes.
Shoulders down, is it enough?
Not quite there yet.
He isn't going to go away that easy.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Danny Burch has seen a lot of success in tag team competition. But what's the key to the singles victory here tonight?
Burch needs to lean into his experience. I doubt there are many situations he can't fight his way out of. Don't give an inch, and he should be able to fight his way out of this one.
Ow! Foot, meet back. An unrelenting assault being brought to Burch.
This is Danny's perseverance getting tested.
Oh, that'll break his arm. Vicious.
That was nasty. Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick. From the top.
Oh, huge miss there.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Specifically targeting the leg. Can he do it here? And he manages to kick out at one.
That's still a quick kick out at this point.
And set him up. Oh, knee to the hands.
That's going to hurt.
Strong right. Good night.
That was nasty. Kelly showing his instinct. Brutality. But MGK is pulling off some maneuvers.
The cover, shoulders down. Barely kicks out. Not yet. Spinning around, spinning around. Crucifix and the powerbomb.
That could bring an end to Burch.
It's over. Brutality finally comes to an end.
Here is your winner, Machine Gun Kelly.
didn't give it their all and then some to achieve this victory.
They are riding high on this win. This celebration might carry on the rest of the month.